ERW round pipes versus API round pipe mill line. The steel pipe industry relies on advanced production technologies to meet the growing demands of construction, infrastructure, and energy projects worldwide. Among the most widely used technologies are ERW round pipe mill lines and API round pipe mill lines. While both are designed to produce high-quality steel pipes, they differ significantly in production processes, applications, and quality standards. ERW round pipe mill lines are primarily used for general industrial and structural applications. They are cost-effective, efficient, and capable of producing large volumes of pipes with consistent quality. ERW pipes are suitable for water transportation, scaffolding, fencing, and building frameworks. These pipes are made by rolling steel strips into a cylindrical shape and welding the edges together using electric resistance. The process ensures smooth weld seams, uniform dimensions, and flexibility in handling various steel grades and thicknesses. On the other hand, API round pipe mill lines are engineered to produce pipes for demanding applications such as oil, gas, and petroleum pipelines. These pipelines require high strength, durability, and compliance with strict international standards, including API 5L. API pipes undergo rigorous testing, including hydrostatic pressure testing, ultrasonic inspection, impact testing, and chemical composition verification to ensure they can withstand extreme pressures and harsh environmental conditions. Unlike ERW pipes, API pipes are specifically designed for critical energy sector projects where safety and long-term reliability are essential. The key differences between ERW and API round pipe mill lines can be summarized in terms of application, quality control, and production requirements. Application: ERW pipes are widely used in everyday construction and structural projects, while API pipes are required for high-pressure oil, gas, and petroleum pipelines. Quality standards: ERW lines focus on efficiency and consistency, whereas API lines adhere to stringent international standards and certification requirements. Testing and inspection: API lines involve advanced testing protocols to ensure mechanical properties, weld integrity, and resistance to extreme conditions. Material handling: both lines can process a variety of steel grades, but API lines often require higher-grade steels to meet performance specifications. Investing in the right pipe mill line depends on the end-use application and market demand. Companies targeting general industrial projects can benefit from the cost-effectiveness and high-speed production of ERW lines. Meanwhile, energy and pipeline manufacturers require API-certified lines to ensure compliance, safety, and long-term durability. LOTOSFORMING is a leading manufacturer providing both ERW and API round pipe mill lines with advanced automation, precision engineering, and robust construction. Their machines are designed to optimize efficiency, reduce material waste, and deliver high-quality pipes that meet global standard. With LOTOSFORMING solutions, Manufacturers can choose the right production line to meet project-specific needs while maintaining reliability and performance.